Sige po. Lahat po ng lead players. Alis ko na ulit sa side na doon. Yung mga bata dyan, walang...
Palakpakan po natin ang nagbibigay saya sa atin. Yan. At si Kagawad Vanessa Lico. Nandiyan din ang ating kagawad na si Jana Arsenal. Kagawad Rodel Eliano. Yan, nagpapit po siya ng pasasalamat sa inyo. Si Kagawad Jasper Tanyana. At piniyay po siya ng bagay na napasalamat din. At Kagawad Cristina May Trinidad. Palakpakan naman natin mga players. At siyempre, si Kagawad Ezra Soriano. At ang ating puting kapitana Emma Austria. Kapitana, maraming salamat po. Siyempre, our very own palakpakan natin, SK Chairman Ron Harley St. Lawrence. And ito ang ating official referee. And now, here's our starting lineup for your team, Phase 1. Wearing jersey number 23, Jabel Arnes. Wearing jersey number 19, Robinson Antuan. Wearing jersey number 13, Jeremiah Castillo. We have also wearing jersey number 2, Dominic Fontanilla. Wearing jersey number 18, Jomer Sapan. Wearing jersey number 5, Jaynard Santos. We have also wearing jersey number 12, Patrick Santos. Wearing jersey number 9, Emil Suba. Wearing jersey number 12, Harry Villanueva. Wearing jersey number 6, Samoan, the 6th man. Wearing jersey number 7, Emmanuel Lucky. We have also wearing jersey number 10, Lawrence Arnas. Wearing jersey number 20, Justin Cortanilla. We have also number 27, Giancarlo De Leon. Wearing jersey number 20, the captain of Ezequiel Sarmiento. And head coach, wearing jersey number 30, Jeff L. Bernard. And team manager, Samantha Sarmiento. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the team Phase 1. Okay, players, gitna tayo. Once again, the team Phase 1 and Phase 2. Maraming salamat po sa tutong pumalakpak. game number 2. And first possession for the side of Venom Red. Yes, sir. The first packet by the number that's us. And bahagang turnover for the side of Venom Red. William Sarmiento. To Leon, outside to number 24, Sarmiento. Back. Sarmiento. Back to one. And who does the ball number 1 back inside? Matas Pantoja. Yes. Another turnover for number 13, Amaya. That's a good one. Baseline number 7 blocked by Pantoja. De Leon. And this time, battle for the rebound.
Wala!
And another put in. Yes! That's an actualized run.
Extra rice lang.
That's the ball. See Pantoja in trouble. Pantoja picking up the shot. He has outward Marcelo. Diaz for Marcelo. Right, okay na. Seven to nothing. Sarmiento, he gets in the corner. Back to Sarmiento. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sarmiento big.
Come on!
Sarmiento once again.
Isa pa!
Lagi. And a steal.
Wala!
And here comes Ginaias. Napagdadami ng number 24. That's David Leva. And putting away Lagi, no good. And the ball goes to the numbers 1 Matas. Was going to pass the ball Libre. Oh, Libre out. 17 piece to score. Here comes the ball, no good. Ayun lang. Shot clock is 13. Shot clock is 10. Armas. Ryan Willis. Ano yun? Dalawang rebounds. 19 piece to score.
Wala!
That's not the for the kingdom. Let's disturb the battles. The battles na ba?
Go, Benson!
The 14 seconds on the shot and steal. Villanueva. Pass it to Manatao. Strong good. Excellent defense. Para came up with 24. First Bell and first Bell. And she puts it in the line. Manatao, first line. Yes. Yeah. Second, for Manatao.
Hindi na ata nagdadram na ball pa niya.
Now for the latest down to 5, De Leon. As we put the big for De Leon and the corner. Armas got some good. De Leon 10 seconds on the shot line. Throws her pass, Lagi big. Lagi drive, De Leon libre. 3 on the shot line. And good down to Mama. And back for play. Shotgun stand. Sarmiento pay. Sarmiento at the corner. Check po niya. 6 on his shotgun. 6 seconds on his shotgun.
Go, Benson!
5 to shoot. And the bullet pass for the top.
Wala!
Pass to Bandola. Steve. Bandola drop on this.
Wala!
Here we go. De Leon. What a pass. Tie down. And early timeout for the side of team. Phase 2. Two minutes and 52 seconds. Moving on now, with drive, look good. And Lackey, another 14 seconds on the shot clock. Next seconds on the shot clock, Jazz. Look good, and
Oh!
dito tayo. Dito makalit, di ba? 5 to shoot. Diretso ang ating shot clock. Shot clock is 5. Lumipat na natin ang araw. Eh, taparan. 11-4 the Visual score.
Go, Benson!
Here comes Halo play, De Leon to Lagi. Sarmiento to multiply. And Bandola
Sayang.
lost the ball for the here comes the last drive. And now, second under with the first. A minute and 55 seconds.
Wala!
At may foul tayo.
Okay lang yan! Okay lang yan! Okay lang yan!
How much is shooting? Oh, sige. 2 shots sa wala.
Go, tatay!
Esa buwan for Puerto Rico.
Wag!
Next sa last foul. Number 7. Lagi. Shooting for the side. Laban ng Puerto
Oh!
Bandola out for Quito.
Kaya nga, may hawak.
Bandola out for Quito.
Okay lang yan! Bawi, Benson!
Here comes Quito. Ang release to the pass. Oh, on the play. Wow, what a pass to Quito. 1 in 33 seconds left.
Go, guys!
Coming in at number 20, De Leon. From the parking lot, no good. A minute and 14 seconds left. Attacking number 1, Matthias Quito. And then right down against the number 7. Lucky second on lead. Shooting for Quito. Second for Quito. subdivision score. At sa joker ng 3 points on the ball game, 1 minute to play. Here comes Sarmiento. Don't fly, no good. Here comes Samantao. Matches fly.
Wala!
35 seconds left. Eight seconds on the shot, Mike. Yes, sir. 2, 4, coming on. Take up about 15 seconds.
Defense! Wala! Wala!
27. Sarmiento por el Cuban. Muchos 13. Players, it's a miss. And the drive.
Gaga Pacers!
And they're high contact against the number 6, that's the Baston, Cabatos.
Mali.
Burrs, it's a miss. Pagpamilya second is in. Here comes number 1, Matias. 15 seconds on the shot line. And Matias.
Wow!
Nice escape, De Leon at the corner. Back to De Leon. Catch it, give him. Here comes De Leon, jumper, shoulder, and San Juan in trouble. Outside pass, number 19. And here comes Fontanilla, big, tight to shoot. At the one, Pedro, miss. And Fontanilla, Blanca. And here comes
Uli!
But just delivered. Working the seconds on the shot clock. And outside De Leon, passing it on back to De Leon. And another steal, up to the net. Pasa kay Matias. For number 88. Oh, the double steal. And Matias fire on the score. Timeout, pace 1.
Hoy, ano nangyari?
And moving on now, 5 minutes and 14. Sarmiento now. Double crosser, back to Sarmiento. Kasap din ng San Juan, Billeder. Ang ganda naman ang catch sa Steven.
Ah! Sa likod! Likod!
And multiply. At maagang kukunin ang momentum. Good comes up against number 88 Bautista. And multiply again, no good. And here comes Huckleman. Pass on the road, Nicolas, Huckleman. Right in the two strong. Another Nicolas.
Wala!
Good job, poor Maracao. Bautista blue, Bautista bright, Bautista explore. At magandang puno from the bench. Para kay Mr. Bautista, working second shotgun. And now here we go at the corner, Coach Wade. 3-point basket.
Wala!
And because of the no good. A last touch, tackle, let's see what about. Save goal. Seconds of the shot line. Pantola, Portugal.
Oh! Wala!
Last touch of the shot. Last touch of Maracao.
Wala ka. Sabi kayo, nasurol.
24-15 division score. The multiply, not this time, but on top of us in trivia.
Wala!
Double pass, double the drive, and score! Tag-isang quarter, tag-isa lang.
Oh! Wala!
And high school, ang Nas!
Oh!
At first, double whistle blow.
Nice one!
And turns the number 17, Bautista and Bartolomeo.
Stop!
San Juan for Lagi. Wala. Burrs, Anas, it's a miss.
Go, Luben!
Second try at the line is Yemo.
Wala! Wala! Kabezon!
Ventana out. Tito.
Uwi na!
7. Lucky Fernandez. Third personal foul on Lucky. And one play for the foul. Yes. Win. Complete the 3-point lead. 4-man foul.
Go Mason!
And once again, De Leon. Ayun lang, that's the turnover. Timeout, phase 1. Buti wala ng timeout.
Wala!
One minute, 52 seconds left. Here we go, it's the team of Santiago. Attacking the middle, cuts into the steal. And in. 13 seconds on the shot line.
Go Mason!
A nice escape. The game clock is running. The shot clock is doesn't really work. Pagkaling sa shot clock.
Wala! Wala!
And a minute and 20 seconds. And we're trying to bubble. We're trying to be attack.
Oh! Go Tatay!
Sino ba ang kapatid? Bilang na ang pwede laban.
Go guys!
One minute and 10 seconds left. Working sa kasing shot line. Itam Arnas, 10 to shoot, third tray, no good. 55 seconds left. Burkowski now. Pasa sa gitna para Calde. Para Car, out the glass, connect 14. At Maracay 7 points already. 35 seconds left. On the shot line. Shot line is 10. And Sarmiento Bay 5 to shoot. Magpunta niya miss. Naabutan ng shot clock yan. 18 seconds left on the shot line. And wait for the buzzer. With 8 seconds left. Oh! 8 seconds. Ayan lang, that's Charlie Cal, the number 1. Subdivision, Charlie Cal. Second. Five seconds left.
Oh!
The corner passer, baseline, bingo. Para kay number 4, that's Diaz. Now 31-22 Vision score on Nas. Benson Villanueva. Wilkins Fontanilla. Nice skill. Lucky. Bingo. For that's Lucky. Mga Lucky Banks. Wilkins to the ball, Matias. 12 seconds on the shot
Oh,
line.
wala.
Now Matias against the man cross court. He has jumper short. San Juan with the ball. Vision score. 14 seconds on the shot line. And now Arras lost the ball. And that's a dangerous pass. Here comes Villanueva attacking the middle.
Wala!
And Bandola at meron tayong foul against the number 10, that's Arnas.
Ba't kasi ganyan naman na yan?
Person Arnas.
Si Bandola.
Hindi naman talaga laro niyan.
Wala!
Big shout out, Sean Carl. Villanueva. Galing yan kay Sherisa Ratito. Yan, big shout out and happy viewing. Para sa ating team bahay. Alive at happy days. May pila na siya. Isa lang. That's a sweet chat for Bandola. Arnas back to De Leon. 14 seconds on his shot line. Shot like a stand, De Leon. And attacking the defense, De Leon with a finish. Third by 23.
Wala!
Oh, steal again. At meron tayong foul against the number 24, Villanueva. Villanueva out for number 88. Fontanilla out for Sarmiento.
Hinga ka lang, hinga. Bangsa ka sa pagkasa yung Wala ko din makain.
30 by 23. 1 point lead for the side of baseline. Shot like a stand, Sarmiento.
Gokan!
A nice escape, De Leon. Pasa lagi, jumper. Bingo! Ang pipi ng mga shot ni Lagi. That's the Lucky bounce.
Go Benson! Wala!
18 seconds on the shot line. Matias.
Oh, wala!
At meron tayong foul against the number 27, that's De Leon. Second for De Leon.
Balmor.
Jumper Matias, short.
Wala!
Another 14 seconds. Bandola with a finish. And the game back is running back the shot back. Doesn't really more. Galing sa shot yan, mga idol. And in the corner, Sarmiento. No good, Lagi. At meron tayong foul against the numbers 30, that's Bandola.
Go Tatay!
Ganun lang, patay tayo oras, patay.
Naamay ko na!
Lagi first try. Second try for Lagi.
Ulo!
Barantal for Cabanos. 2-4-3
Mamaya
for
na,
Lagi.
mamaya. Wala pa, wala pa. naman.
Kaya tanong ko kung kakain tayo.
6 points for Mr. Lagi.
Wala!
Here comes Bautista, multiplied. Bang! 3 for Bautista.
Go, Person! Go, Person! Oh, papansin! Oh!
At defensive foul.
Ah!
Coming and given.
Ang
Foul
dumi
to
mo!
the number 10, that's Arnas.
Ang dumi mo maglaro! Okay lang yan!
Nice escape for number 1, Matias. Oh! Steal. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Go, Person!
A nice escape to Leon. Right. Sandali. Very good. Asan ang susunod?
Ay!
Wild.
Talagang kwan po yan, smoke machine yan. Sige po, layo kayo. Layo po kayo, smoke machine yan. Kanina pa natin ginagawa. Okay, syempre, it's a prank. Nagulat kami doon. Smoke machine po yan, talagang mangangamoy. Okay ka dyan? Meron tayong number 6. Okay, shoutout ulit tayo para sa ating team bahay kay Mary Lou Apostol from Pong Pascual. Yan. And first is him. Yan po, kanina pa po namin nakakamoy yan. Solve na po kami sa amoy niya. Second is him again. 2-4 na yun.
Oh, wala!
And ito na, 3 and 14, Matias. Oh, still, Matias. Yes, no, it's a
Ay,
shame.
kapit yun ah! Kapit
And
yun
here comes
ah!
Tamaya now. 3 minutes to play.
Nangatak ng damit ay!
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Go,
Here comes
Benson!
Tamaya asking for the beat. Here comes Tamaya. Step back, 5 to shoot. And still, at meron pa tayong foul. The number 27 warning for penalty. De Leon out for Fontanilla.
Chill!
Warning for penalty.
Hindi mo sila nakikita lumapit. Kaya na. Ang sabi.
Oh, wala!
Yun lang. Driving violation. Meron tayong technical for Matias.
Lumapit kayo. Hindi yung may kapal magwawala.
Technical tayo. One shot muna tayo. For continuous complaining.
Oh! Wow!
Yes! 42-28 official score.
Hey, go! Bola, go!
Si Tay Pagliasa, 1 minute tayo.
Go! Kumuha ka ng bola!
And 2 minutes and 35. Lagi outside to Arnas. Here we go. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Arnas, Kaxen given Arnas.
Galing.
Go good. Here comes Pandola.
Oh, wala!
Pasok kay Matias. Sige
Wala!
ng Arnas.
Wala!
And here comes Blanca for Pandola. At meron tayong contact against the number 7 penalty.
Okay lang yan!
7 Lagi out. Warning for Broadway.
Okay lang yan!
Lagi.
Alam mo ka tayo? Ganda na yun.
Wala!
Lex Lim Villanueva.
Wala!
Castillo III. Yan, big shout out and happy viewing.
Taka lang, hanggat kaya, ubus lang tayo oras. Sira ulo. Lalabas kita.
First and last try. Oh, no, another 14 seconds on the shot clock. At mutik maagawan. Matias for the crossover move. Matias to the dollar jumper moves.
Oh!
At alas the ball.
Oras!
Oh, for the crossover move. Puntanilla. Jackson given to Leon. Got it. Basket. Plus one pa yan. Basket success. The number one. Diaz Bandolacao.
Go Benson!
Last ball again, rep. Number one, that's Matias. Matias, pangatlo mo yan, idol.
Go Benson!
And Emerald play. Timeout is two. De Leon may total points na 12 with a total for Mr. De Leon.
Ang galing mo guys!
45-28 official score. At low ang kalamangan.
Go Benson!
1 minute and 40
Oh,
seconds.
wala!
Here comes Richo. Perimeter jumper. Bingo.
Go
The leading is
Benson!
down to 15. And here we go now. Oh, San Juan. Still Cabazas drive. Cabatos score. And San Juan.
Likod!
San Juan in trouble. San Juan lost the ball. San Juan pass to the open man. Cross court pass from Nas. Fontanilla play for the crossover move. Pass it winner. 5 to shoot. Arnas. De Leon for three. Oh, puntak pa yun. 30 seconds.
Shooting!
Here goes for the ball. Kicho, the river. 25 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot line. A nice escape. Arnas drive. Arnas 7 under. And San Juan 7 on the shot line. Sarmiento miss. And here comes Kicho. Sarmiento to secure the ball. Oh! And now number one. Maratang. Sandali. Injury timeout tayo. Meron tayong injury.
Hoy! Sino yan?
Oh, mga boss, mga idol, kalma lang tayo. Focus tayo, focus. 7 on a shot clock. Alam po ng mga referee ang kung sinasadya, mga idol. Itatapon po agad yan pagka sinadya. Oh, warning for delaying the game. Rep, dalawang warning na yan. Si Matias kanina ron, technical na yan. For delaying the game.
Ah! Ah!
Ano ba warning? Warning ba? Oh, warning tayo.
Technical!
Sandali. Rep,
Dalawa na!
Rep Mon, sandali. Aayusin natin. Hindi po natin papabain. Rep Raymond, si Matias ba? Asa ba? Warning, ano ba yun? Delay of game ba? Wala. Sige, warning lang tayo. Tapos po ang usapan. Ganun lang po kasimple yan. 7 seconds left. Warning for delaying the game for the side of phase 2. 7 seconds left. Five seconds. Woodruff! Ay, ay, ay. Pamatay sunod. para kay Ernest.
Nice, Andy!
Bilisan mo!
At may foul tayo dyan.
Ah!
Number 6. At an out. Gabato, second on you. Idol, second. Yung pong depensa ayon sa wasto.
What?
13 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock is 10. De Leon pulling away. Bingo! Wow! What a good for De Leon.
Hinihingi niya nga sa ilalim, hindi siya nakita.
50-36, Matias, jumper, no good. Arma sa basket rebound.
Oh, kala mo ah.
Here comes number 20, Fontanilla, nice escape. At meron tayong foul. Against the number 88, sino? Bandola. Ratio the substitution rep, Kicho for Bandola. Bautista first on E.
Ito nga!
Go, Benson!
Fontanilla, 10 to shoot. Nice escape, Fontanilla miss.
Wala! 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 Nakakapit! Oh!
Up jump ball dito tayo. Black basketball. That's the
Kapit!
pace to
Kapit!
basketball.
Okay lang yan! Ganun talaga, kumakapit! Kapit! Kapit lang! Ang init lang!
Nangangat yan.
Now Bautista.
Oh, wala!
Sa Andy Discarte for three. Bang! Bautista, 3. At pangalawang 3-point basket na for Bautista.
Lapit, doon!
Here comes number 12.
Oh!
Jump ball yan. O, dyan ka, safe ball. Ayan, safe ball. Villanueva out.
Dalaw mo talaga! Ang ginagawa mo!
And Sarmiento, 5 to shoot. Arneas, not this time. At shot clock violation yan. 5 and 19, 11-point lead for the side of phase 1.
Go, Benson!
And here we go now. Matias for three. Back. Matias, 3. At ito na, Kim. Same ball ka, 5 minutes and 3. Wala na lang ang inahabol.
Go, Benson!
Bakit ba time out namin?
Rep, pausugin natin ba niya? Naka-advantage sila dyan, usog na. Players, usog natin.
Nahuhubad si Sura.
Yan na sila. Meron na tayong technical. Tinechnical na.
Ano daw yan?
27, De Leon. Running for graduates. Sino sa kabila? Merong kanyan. Merong charge of technical. Baka akala nyo. Rep.
Ayusin nyo ah!
technical yan, pero ball control pa rin ng Red Bull yan. Dahil sa kanilang team control.
Okay lang
Yung
yan!
technical, personal foul yan, kaya warning ka na. De
Okay
Leon.
lang yan! Okay lang!
Ayun lang. O, dito tayo. Diyan pa rin tayo.
Okay lang yan!
Coach, pausok natin bagya para makapwesto yung mga player dyan. Yan, maraming salamat. And here we go, Sarmiento against San Bautista. Good job, check down tayo. Shot like a stand, De Leon right. De Leon yes, another 14. At another 14 seconds on the shot like. Iwas mo tayo sa flopping, ha?
Go, Benson!
Shot like 14.
Nagugutom na ako. Go, Benson!
Arnas down. Nice escape, De Leon. Perimeter jumper. Big game. De Leon.
Huli!
35 seconds left.
Wala!
Nice escape, Matras.
Wala!
Bautista. Kasan given. No.
Aras!
Here comes De Leon. Nice escape. Pontanilla attacking inside, straight big, another big, De Leon jumper, boom!
Okay lang.
Yes for De Leon. Here comes Cabanos. Another forever, De Leon. Anong meron yan? Matjas big. Ang hirap na tira. That's a typical chap, 8 to shoot. Timeout, pace one. Tag-dalawang timeout na lang kayo.
Aray ko! Kadiri! Ito naman na
Surong! Okay. Tama lang. Okay.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Unti na lang! Kapitan nyo din!
Ano pa pag lumaro ko, hindi na ako nasira sa sapatos ko. Hindi, ayoko nga masira yan.
Oh, kapit na naman! Tulak! O, sige!
7 seconds on the shot
Oh,
clock.
sige!
Pantola spin,
Wala!
Pantola malakas pa rin. And here we go. Here comes De Leon attacking. No. And here comes with the ball, Matias. Back away, jumper, bingo.
Oh, sub daw, sub!
Go, pasok.
18 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. The guys is still number 20, 10 on the shot clock.
Galing nito ka lang.
Lagi against the Bandola. Oh, still for Cabanos. Cabanos baseline, Maradal baseline. And here comes the final 3 minutes to play. Here comes the ball, Ernesto Sarmiento. At rejected. De Leon, check ball yan, idol. Hindi po pwede magkaroon ng bakit pagka na-check ang bola. Number 12, Marantal. Team foul number 3 and number 12.
Go, Ken!
Pakita, sandali rin. Pagayarin yan. At idol, hindi tayo pwede magte-technical sa ano. House rules lang nila yan. Go good! And the ball goes to Mr. Bandola. Bandola drive and Bandola score. Kalma lang tayo.
Oras!
15 seconds on the shot money. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Here comes Fontanilla. Fontanilla swing. Fontanilla drive. No! Another chance against Fontanilla.
Oh, wala!
Nagdesisyon. No good. And now, this is the tournament sound. Last 2 minutes, Rocky Drive, Lightning School. Timeout, phase 2.
Andina lang! Tay!
Coach, phase 2. Coach, isang timeout ka pa, sir. Isang timeout pa, coach, ng phase 2. Isa pa. Dalawa, phase 1. 14 lang, 14 tayo. Shot clock 14, front court inbound.
Uy, may sinasabi.
Ikaw kailangan kasi dyan, pasok ka mamaya.
Go, Benson! Oh, wala!
And now, number 1,
Wala!
Matias.
Wala!
Gabados, right. Gabados. Oh! Bandola finally scored. And here comes De Leon. Good yan, nakatawid. Oh! Last chance ka. At malapit yan.
Okay lang yan! Hindi ko na alam.
Tol!
1 minute and 25.
Wala! Wala!
Here comes Bandola, strong move. Bandola sa ilalim, Gabados, Matias. Pasa Bautista, multiplied by 3-point basket. 4 na lang yan.
Pasok na, taka lang.
Apat!
And here comes Sarmiento drive. Sarmiento score! Ang galing nga naman. Here comes Bandola. Oh, miss! And follow up, miss and run. Alas, Pitasanan.
Oras!
1 minute to play.
Oras!
Here comes De Leon.
Oras! Wah!
50 seconds. And Sanawan wins. Here comes Bandola. Deliver. Foul.
Taka lang.
Sarmiento Bandola.
Mahaba pa.
Second warning for penalty.
Apat lang.
Suroy! Wala pa tayo tao.
Bandola out for Chicho.
Ay, gagraduate ka.
Hey!
Gagraduate.
Manap ka ng tao na wala pang tao.
35 seconds.
Shoot lang, shoot.
And Fontanilla pass to San Juan.
Papaul yan, papaul.
Here comes Fontanilla. What a goal. 20 seconds left.
Wala!
15 And second stop, go! Kicho Mills! Congratulations! Good baseline! Yung bola. Sixteen points in the total, De Leon. Seconds ka mga lode, good game for the both team.
Ay, player muna! Player muna! Player muna! Sama kami! One, two, three. Saka, 1, 2, 3. Bakit? Bakit? Sabi niya phase 1.